Sorry, no? So we are going to add Bootstrap, no? We'll remove this. Nandito pala sa ano, I forgot where, nandito. Manage NuGet services, no? Click browse, search Bootstrap, and click latest version. But it did not appear the way I did it, no? So let's do that again. Right click, manage NuGet packages. Okay. May Bootstrap na ba? Wala pa. We go to browse. Okay, Bootstrap. Ayan, no? And we get the latest version, which is 4.6. That's what we also got. What we got was 4.3. No? Ito, 4.6. Maraming Bootstrap po. Okay. We get this and then we install. Okay. This is the way to do it in using manage NuGet services. Mas bago yung nakuha niya. Now, the good thing about managing NuGet services, it will get it from nuget.org. You will also have a jQuery and a pooper and Bootstrap at the same time. Okay, so let's click OK. So, naglagay siya ng scripts, no? Oh, ayan, nilagay na niya. Okay, the problem is the Bootstrap being included here is what? The jQuery is 3.0. It's not a very good version. What we need is something higher, no? 3.6. So, nag-include na siya ng pooper. Popper. It should be popper, no? So, most will call it pooper, no? Popper na lang. Okay. Now, pagkatapos mo ma-include, look at that. The scripts are included already. You will have to update. You click updates, no? Bakit wala? Dapat may kasali na yung ano eh. Kasali dapat. Anyway, it will come out later, no? You have to close this first and then manage again. Manage NuGet services. Packages, by the way. So, these are now the updates needed. The updates appeared now. We need to update a jQuery. Yeah, we'll just update all that needs to be updated. Okay, click and then update. Accept. Just accept now. So now the old jQuery which was at 3.0 is now updated to 3.6. Okay, so 3.6 na yung ating jQuery. And the popper is also updated. Okay, do you follow? Now, if you want font awesome, no? Font awesome is CSS for fonts. It's like materialize. You can go to font awesome and then create a new folder for font awesome if you like. So it will be easier to ano. Let me check how I did it in my other project. No? Not this. Sa header natin ilalagay yung mga ano no href. Okay. So font awesome is in on a separate folder. So we can create a new folder here called font awesome. Are you following me, no? Let me create a new folder, add new folder. Awesome. Put in one small letters. Okay. You follow, and then you download Font Awesome from the web, from the internet. Walang NuGet package ang Font Awesome, no? Do you follow? Font Awesome doesn't have a NuGet package. So therefore, you have to download. Oh, ano bang Font Awesome na ginagamit? Yeah. 3.6 daw ang maganda. Alpha pang 6. Let's get a 5 point ano. 5.15 I think is good. Alpha pa kasi ang 6. No? 5.1. May mga icons siya included, oh. Okay? Hindi follow. How can we download the, ano? There's a I'm looking for the download button. Sorry, no. Let's just go back to, ano, to our Google. We Google it again, again. Font Awesome download. And 6 ang ibibigay niya. Let's go 5. 5.15 ba? Bakit ay? But anyway, I've downloaded Font Awesome myself, no? Hanapin ko na lang. Ito, no? Have downloaded a Font Awesome for which version is that? 5.15. 13. Okay. So what we'll do is copy this. Copy all this. So we have that, and then yeah, copy this here. No? Drag this to this folder. Okay. So now it's included, no? So bakit ayaw pa? Hindi pa lumabas. Ayan, lumabas. You have to wait a while. Okay? They follow. And then if you have images, no, which you want included, we can have a we can include a folder again. Add new folder. Say images. Yung mga pink, yung mga images that you want placed on your in your website. So anyway, I have my all images here, no? Ito, which we will use. Just drag them to images. This is the way to do it, no? Hindi pwedeng i-copy and paste sa Explorer, because if you do that, no, they will not appear. You have to use Visual Studio to copy. Kailangan talaga Visual Studio. Okay? Okay. Let's look at our look at our plugins. Let's run this again anyway. We will put the user one. Okay, so ito, no, pangit ang ating web page. Why? Because we don't use CSS. Okay? In our main in our homepage. Ito lang yung ating homepage eh. So you know how to use CSS. So first we will put the links in the header. Do you follow? Links in the header after the title, right? That's where you put your bootstrap. So what we'll do is first add them on this order, no? Kailangan on this order. Otherwise, you will get an error, no? Okay, first we will include bootstrap. Let's look at our scripts and find bootstrap. Bootstrap.mean.js ito. Okay, do you follow? Because bootstrap.mean.js. We'll go to home ASPX again. dito natin siya ilagay sa after the title. So, what we'll do is just drag it there, no? First bootstrap, that means CS ito. Drag natin siya, no? Okay? It's easy as that, no? I-drag mo lang. So, siya na bahala maglagay kung saan galing na folder. We'll save this. No? Then, the next thing to do is add jQuery table.min.css. Okay? So, we look for jQuery.table.min. Kailangan natin na tables. jQuery CSS ang ginahanap natin, no? Not JS. Yes. So, JS ito, so it's not from here. Bootstrap, that means that JS. No, this is wrong, no? CSS, no? CSS. Let's erase this. Let's look for the CSS files. As a source. Most probably nandito sa source, no? Is there an easy way to search for this? Let's close muna, no? Ano. Nandito pala sa content. Dito nakalagay ang bootstrap.min.css. Put it there. Okay? Bootstrap.min.css. Then we need jQuery tables. Problema saan nyo nakalagay. .css. Bakit walang jQuery tables? Dapat sinalid niya pag-include natin. Kailangan natin cooper.min.js. jQuery tables. Let's look for that anyway, no? Tingnan, i-look na lang natin you search in the no, in the explorer. No? Yeah, packages. Where is that? Let's look for we are looking for jQuery min.css. Okay. Masyadong marami. Let's look for data tables. Ha? Nagka-class dito. No, it's not there. We don't have data tables. jQuery data tables. We need to get data tables. Anyway, I have it here already. Let me look for that now in one of my files. You can download data tables now. Where's that? In content. Nasa content. Baka nasa content. Hindi niya sinali sa content. Oh, hindi nasali, no? So anyway, we'll copy that na from content from one of the no. I'll if you have a hard time, I'll put a shortcut na, in our regular site. Content data tables. Wala siyang data table. So we'll move this here. Dapat pag upgrade sa NuGet packages, kasali siya. Ayan, data tables na. Now we have data tables. We'll include jQuery data tables that mean that CSS. Type J. Yan. Data. Let's go back to our homepage. Yan. Wala po din ang jQuery. jQuery that data tables. jQuery. That means that is this one. Then we have font awesome. Okay. It's a CSS for fonts. No? So we have font awesome. What we need is font awesome. That means that CSS. Okay. And all. Okay. Dalawa ang ilalagay natin sa font awesome. Sa content, meron ba tayong ano? Why don't we have, in content, we don't have custom.css. So I think we have to copy that also. Wala. So wala ang custom.css. So content. It should be updated uh, by the NuGet package. Bakit hindi mag-paste? We'll just drag it there, no? Kung ayaw niya, i-drag na lang natin. Sorry. Hard time with my mouse. Let's look at that. Ayan, nandito na ang custom.css. Okay. We'll add custom.css in our home page. Before font awesome. Okay. Sa font awesome, we are going to need font awesome and then all.css. Yung custom.css, ilagay natin dyan. Then we look for font awesome. Font awesome first, no? In that order. Hindi pwedeng all muna. Because all will require that the font awesome is there. No? Okay, all. Okay, and then we have custom, meron na tayong bootstrap. We need popper, jQuery 3.6. Okay. jQuery that 3.6 and then JavaScript na. So let's look for the jQuery. It's in the scripts, no? Or contents, wala naman pupuntahan dyan. Yan. We'll look at the scripts. Then, we're looking for jQuery 3.6 slim. Slim. Slim.min. That is ito. Okay. We go to our home.aspx. Put it there. So, ganun lang mag-ano. Okay. Then we'll have pooper.min.js. Pooper.min.js. Popper. Then, meron na tayong bootstrap.min.js. Wala pa, no? The JavaScript part. In this order. Kailangan in that order. Okay. Okay. Meron na. Okay. Let's view this. So, yeah. Tanggalin muna natin itong LBL username. href ang ginamit, so we will not use a href. So form, we'll use a div, no? We'll put a navbar, okay? Plus navbar. This is inside the div, no? This is a bootstrap class, no? Yeah, okay. Do you follow? And then maglagay tayo ng image. Do we have images? If you want an icon, no? You can put it in the navbar. Okay? So one way to do that is create a source, no? Create a source, no? And then if you want an href, you can have an href so that if you click on the button or on the image, i-block lang muna natin ng ano. If you want an image placed, lalagay. I'm just pasting them, no? Because I never memorize the uh, the classes, no? The bootstrap classes. Ang hirap. It's very difficult to memorize. You just get an example, or you can just get a library, then copy from that library. Okay. Now we want to place an image here. So anyway, images. I have my images here. Our home page. Okay. Ilalagay natin yung image. Dito. Uh, books. Gamutan muna natin ng for example this. Okay. Let's view this now. Design view. Okay. And then we'll put a width. Masyadong malaki. Okay. A width of 30. Masyadong malaki. How do we do that in the source? We put it here. A width of 30 yan. Okay. O yan, nagliit na siya. Okay. And then we'll use a button class, no? This button class is also an CSS, no? Bootstrap. Button class tayo para okay, we can have a set of buttons. Okay. Wag na, okay. Before putting the buttons, we put in a nav. After this div, we'll put a navigation bar. Another navigation bar. Then we'll put a div, an end div. Now, when you have a menu, you usually put the menu in a list, an ordered list. Okay? Okay. So we'll have an about. No? Okay. Let's put that in an ordered list like this. Tatagalin ko muna yung ano, no? Yung ibang other, ano. Okay? So, it's like this. An ordered, we'll have a nav bar, no? And then, followed in the navigation bar, it's an ordered list, okay, which is also another nav bar. The first item is home.aspx. It goes to home. Kasi we can have a lot of pages. And the second page is about.aspx. So, ito. Now, take note that these are links. No? Which means that links, these are static. Which means this cannot be changed during runtime. It's okay because these are the web pages which we would like to the user to see even if they're not logged in. Or even if they're logged in, no? The user to see, no? And which doesn't have to be changed anyway, no? So actually dito, i-control naman talaga natin, but they can always go directly to home and about, even without, ano. Oh, sorry about that. It should be no. Sarang errors. Home does not LBL user kasi ginamit natin ito. Okay. So, i-remarks muna natin. No? We comment this out first because we'll put the username somewhere. No? User1. User1. So that's how to put. So, okay. Bakit nawala yung ating home? Okay. Nawala yung ating links. May kulang pa. Okay. Bottom class. I think we need this. We need another class. Bakit hindi lumabas yung ano? Navbar na this UL. No? Ba't lumabas na yung ano? There's something wrong with our CSS. Bakit hindi lumabas yung navbar? User1. I'm just creating a navigation bar. No? Anyway, let me copy the whole source code. Make a long story short. Hindi, mali yung aking div. Most probably dito, mali yung div. Wala pa dapat mag-end ang div. Okay? Kasi dapat isang div lang yun. There's something wrong with the way I place the div. Let's just copy the whole thing. I've done this before. I'll just copy para hindi to save on type na. Ibang LI na ito eh. Kompleto na. Is this complete? This locks a div. Lalagay naman niya kung anong kulang eh. Check. It's for the bottom. Let's just arrange this. LI means list, no? List item. So you should have known this, no? Kasali ito dun sa WebTech 1. Okay. So let's view this first. You can yeah, okay na siya. No? Let's run this. User 1, user 1. Hindi lumabas yung ating ano, hindi lumabas yung ating menu. What's wrong with our menu? Dapat lumabas dito. Okay. Kulang ng nav. Kulang ng nav at saka isang div. So, look at that. Div nav. Kulang ng nav. Yeah. Kasi nag-need div ka agad. Kulang ng isang nav. Let me check. Si form div nav. Pero may nav doon. Dapat walang nav dito. Kasi dapat kasali sa buong nav bar. Let's arrange this. So I'm just doing my CSS now. Let's view, do the design view. Let's run this. Yeah, I'll save this now. Then make this run. We'll have a break because we're running out of time. Then I'll be just right back. Okay. Okay. Any questions? And we'll only have 3 sessions today. Anyway. Okay. I'm sorry, no. Mahina talaga ang aking mic. Anyway, we'll save, no, and then I'll be right back.